3-1. All right, Eagle Pride B, grabbing a lot of cubes in that system. Shark Week also picking up a ton of greens. Eagle Pride B has so many greens into that system. We'll see how many they can get. I'm counting 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. As we get to 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Shark Week picking up some purples and greens along their way. Shark Week's going to score some purples. They get both in. You must now switch drivers. Eagle Pride B getting more green cubes, trying to get that goal bonus. And they're pairing with their teammate to get a ton of green cubes into this last goal. With 9 seconds left on the clock, Eagle Pride B dispensing a lot of cubes in that goal as both teams go for the card. All right. We're down here at the opportunity field for qualification.